My name is Jeff Pence. I'm with Bob Street today from Houdini Home Improvement, Lebanon, Ohio, on behalf of Expert Village. In this clip, we'll be installing the toilet seat. Just make sure that you have all your bolts, and we'll let Bob explain the rest.
All right. Use the seat and the bolts provided in the toilet to go pack. These little caps snap up. Place them over our holes. Place our bolts with the washers up. Place the nuts on the bottom.
The nuts on the bottom hand tight?
You hand tighten them up, snug them up, then we'll take a screwdriver and we get them snug and center up the seat and give them a final turn. Make sure our toilet's centered up on there.
Now that the seat is centered, Bob just takes a screwdriver and holds the nuts underneath and tightens the bolts from the top.
I've got scars I can show you here in a moment. Okay, we snap the little covers back over the screws, and I think we're ready to use that. Let's flush it again.
Is that an urban legend about in Australia that it goes the opposite direction?
No,
or is that fact?
I believe that's fact, Tim. South of the equator, the water swirls counterclockwise.
Or is that just the way the water is going into the bowl?
Nope. It's an actual centrifugal force. All of them. It's not urban legend.